Hello friends, how do you hope you are fine? So in the previous video you can see we're done with this patient menu. Only search button functionality is remaining all done. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to double click on this one. So we will be here. So we have to search on the base of ID. So what I have to type here, we have to check if id dot get text dot equals null. So what we have to display a message, we have to simply copy this one, please enter valid ID for search. Okay. Else what we have to do, else we have to check. Okay. So we have to create a for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than all patients dot size. Okay, and simply I plus plus if id dot get text dot equals all patients dot get at I dot get id, and we have to convert it into integer. Okay, sorry, string. So that's why I concatenate with double quotation. Okay, so that's done. So here we create a patient object, patient, and patient which is equal to null. Okay, patient which is equal to patient, all patients dot get at I. That's done. So we have to check if patient double equal null. So we also put a break here because if we found, we don't proceed further. Okay, so we simply copy this one and paste it here. We also display this message here. Okay, so if ID didn't exist, else what we have to do, we have to control V, but here we display in a message box format like patient info, and line splitter. Okay, plus here we have to type name is equal to patient dot get name. Okay, plus and add one more line splitter and name contact which is equal to plus, you may add all the properties. Okay, so dot get contact and one more address. Okay, so these are the basic info that we wanna display in a search box. Okay, so patient name and address, patient dot get address. So that's done. with the search button functionality. Now I run this one and check if it is work fine or not. Okay, so password, done with password and patients. So here we have to search like 1 2 3 4, and when I click on search button you can see patient info, name Ali, contact this one and address. But one error here, you can see here I need to add a line splitter. So we have to add \n here. Okay, and now when I run this one, so if I enter ID 9103, okay, and click on search button, now you can see patient info is here. Okay, so after this it's time to create a medicine insertion form where a doctor will be able to insert medicines. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click on this default package, new and JFrame form. Okay, so name it as medicines. Okay, so let me copy some functionality from the patient. Okay, here you simply need to copy all the design because that design is almost same for the medicine. So let me copy all, Control A. So let me copy like that. Okay, Control C and open your medicine form and paste it here. Now you can see it's successfully copied. Okay, but here we need to change some things. Okay, like we have to edit this to medicine. Okay, and also need to change these icons. So change this icon to medicine. Okay, okay, close. So change this to open properties and change the text to medicine info. Okay, and ID and name is okay, but we need to change name it to selling price. Okay, edit text, selling price, edit text, buying price. Okay, and let me check all the properties like quantity and description is remaining. So how many total properties? 6 properties. Okay, buying, selling, quantity and description. Okay, and quantity, and this one is for description. Okay, so done with this one. Now we need to change the variable name. ID is okay, name is okay, but we need to change this variable name. Okay, okay, and rename this one to buying price. Okay, and this one is the quantity, and description. Okay, So done with this one. Now when I click on open your source code, okay. Now press Alt and enter and import this class. So here we need to create an array list of type medicine, okay. So type array list. So one more thing you can do, you can simply open your patient form, okay, and copy some functionality because we need to little change, okay, and it will also work for this one, okay. So this one is the array list that we need to copy and paste it here, but change the type, okay. Change the type to medicine, okay. Done with this one. Now you have to copy these two functions, okay, and put in your constructor, okay, like that. So copy the implementation of these two functions. So let me scroll it down properly. Okay, done. Press Ctrl C. And put it here in the main. Sorry, in this JFrame form, put these two functions. Click OK. Now you can see for writing data, okay, writing data. So we have to change variable name to all m data, okay, for all medicine data, and rename this one to just refactor and rename to all medicines, okay. So medicine get ID, get name, and get selling price, get buying price. So it almost same as previous video, okay, but we need to change the variable names, okay. And this one is the quantity, and one more thing, description, okay. So done with this function. Now we have to so you can see here we have to read the m data function, okay. M data text file, medicine data, and we have to create this function which is named medicine, which of type medicine, and refactor this name to, click on this one and click refactor and rename this one to medicines, okay. So set selling price, set buying price, and set quantity and description, okay. But we have to pass it these two one, okay. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and Ctrl V. But change your index number, okay, 2, 3 and 4. So open your NetBeans project directory, documents, NetBeans, and this project, okay. So open your M data and put some temporary records, okay, for checking the functionality. Okay, so ID is this one, MD. I type a random medicine name, okay, random text. So ID, name, and selling price. I have to put a semicolon here, okay, and selling price is 90. Then I have to put the buying price is 80. Quantity is 1000, and description is good for heard, like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 index is okay. So we're done with this one. So we have to also need to complete some more functionalities like for save button. Okay, when you click on save button, we have to get all the values. Okay, ID, description, quantity, and this one is our selling price. Okay, get text, and one more thing, quantity, and buying price. Okay, so all the records are okay. One more thing here, we have to check IDs. Okay, so we have to create this function. Okay, so here we need to copy this function, okay, from this form, check IDs. Okay, so simply copy this function we recently created. Okay, so it will be easy for us. Okay, it's time saving process. Simply paste it here and type all medicines, and type medicines. Okay, we have to remove this contact number from here. So we done with this one. Check ID is also working. Now what we have to do, we have to change this to medicine. Okay, medicines, Control Z, and medicine. Okay, name it to medicine and refactor this name to medicines. Okay, so we have to get the ID and set dot set selling price dot get text. Okay, dot set buying price. So we have to parse this one, integer dot parse int So we also have to do for quantity. Okay, do same thing for quantity. So I copy simply this one and paste it here. So I set it to set quantity. Okay, so here what I have to do, I have to get quantity.get tags. Okay, so ID name only description is remaining, so we have to type here set description. Okay, selling price dot set text. Okay, and set also it to null. So only one function is remaining here, save all data. So I have to open our patient form. Okay, and get this function. Okay, save all data. I have to simply copy this one and paste it here. Open medicines, and I have to put this function here. Click OK. So for save all data, we have to save this data to m data. Okay, all medicine data, and here I have to type all medicine list. Okay, now same like that I have to copy from the where I write. Okay, so I have to copy all this. Control C it, and then I have to put it here. Okay, but I have to add a splitter semicolon. Control V, and I remove this extra space from here, and I have to put a semicolon. Okay, put semicolon in all the empty spaces. So it's almost done, but for search you can see please enter. This one is correct. Here we have to create medicine object. So here I type medicine, and you have to refactor and rename it to medicine. Okay, okay, done. Please enter valid ID. Here we have to simply type medicine info. Okay, so medicine name and buying price. Okay, so medicine dot get buying price, and selling price, so here I have to type selling price. Okay, plus add a line splitter and quantity. medicine dot get quantity, okay, plus add a line separator here and type description, okay. Plus medicine get description, okay, get description. So you can see we easily done with this one. When you press Ctrl S, the error from here gone, okay. So if you wanna check the functionality of this one, simply run this one. So now you can see, let me check where is the error. I have to open the P data. So here you can see nothing, any data. So I have to add some data in medicine data, or I simply insert, okay, from using this one. When I close this one and run again, so ID, I enter a unique ID. Selling price is this one, buying price is 200, quantity is 100, and description is good. Okay. So let me check why it's displayed this message, because you can see all the data is saved and it's also inserted, okay. So when I open this one, save data, name, buying price, selling price, quantity, description, let me check it again, what is the error, okay. So 44 mm, so you can see it's successfully saved. So when I have to click search, so I have to search like 444, and you can see it searched successfully. So now I have to link this form with this home page, okay. So what I have to do when the user click on this one, so you have to event mouse and mouse click the event, okay. So we have to close this form. This dot set visible, and where I have to pass false, because we want to close this form and open a new form. So new of medicines dot set visible, okay, and here we have to pass true. This is the way you can also open your new forms. So when I run this software, you can see here I have to type the password, login, medicines. So one more thing, I have to open this medicine form in the middle of screen. So open your navigations, okay. So click design and then open navigation, or simply click it here in the empty area form. So open properties, code, click on code, generate pack, and generate resize code, generate center, close. I have to put one more button for home page. Okay, so here I put a button and edit text to home. So I have to change the properties. 18 bold, close, and set it to green color. Okay, close. So when the user click on this one, we simply have to set visible and false, new of home dot set visible and true. Control S. Okay, to save it, simply copy this one and also put in the patient home page. Okay, so the patient menu and put this one. Control Z, Control Z. So I have to Control V it here and set it here. Okay, so now you can see when I click on this one, we also have to copy this functionality or simply try it. Okay, so copy this one, open patients and paste it here. Now it's done for all. Now I run this one. 1 2 3 4 at rate doctor. Okay, so login. For patients, you can see when I click on home, we will be at home page. Okay, for medicine, I want to put one more medicine like this one. And name is MI901. Okay, like that. 99 22 1000. Description is 2323. Okay, so when we click on save, you can see it's successfully saved. But one more thing, here we wanna display like how much is in stock. Okay, how much money is in total. Okay, and how much is the expected profit. So I will do in the next video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Okay, so in the next video you can see we have to design these reports. Okay, and earnings. So we will display all the medicines and doctor earning in this form. Okay, like checkup fees and the medicine profit we have to display here. Okay, and if the doctor recommend him or if a patient want to get report. Okay, so doctor simply open this form. Okay, and search the ID and get all the previous report of that particular patient.